What's up, y'all? I am at Poor Boy Subs 2 in Wheaton, Illinois. I haven't been eating these big meals. I've been eating healthier foods lately, as much as I can. Salads, yogurt, all that. But I was in the neighborhood and Google Maps said, hey, you ought to stop here. But they've got incredible Italian beef. So I stopped. I was tempted by their pork chop sandwich special. I love a good pork chop sandwich and don't see them too often. Okay, this is a wet Italian beef, so let me go ahead and get some napkins out ahead of time. And then I will show it to you. Oh man, this is baptized apparently. Yeah, it's okay. I can't even pick it up to show you without dripping it all over myself. I'm not sure how I'm gonna eat it, but hold on. Hold on. So, look at that, huh? Doesn't that look yummy? Yes, it looks yummy. Wrapped in foil and there's juice dripping everywhere. Okay, we're gonna try and eat this. We're going to try. I don't know. I mean, did I mention it's dripping? Okay. I took half the top of the sandwich with me. But that's good bread. Huh? Can you see? Can you see? It's really nice and hot peppers too. That's good beef. Okay, let's try and recreate a little bit of a mini sandwich. I know I won't be able to eat the whole thing, so I hope my better half will forgive me for bringing home a spicy version instead of sweet, but that's fantastic. It melted into the bread, or the bread melted with the whatever. It's finely chopped, which is kind of unusual, but okay. Finely chopped really makes it. That's a darn good sub. I'll have to come back here for sure. I actually stopped at a Korean grocery looking for some kimchi. They didn't hardly have anything. But I'm glad I stopped here since I was in the neighborhood. There was also a Jack in the Box where I was, and I'm glad I didn't stop there. They have some edible things sometimes, and I haven't seen one since California. But this is much better. Much, much better. I'm going to take a couple more bites and then wrap it up and take it home. And if she can handle it, I'll let her have it. If not, I'll have it for supper. Hopefully she can handle the spicy. Anyway, it's a thumbs up for sure. Poor Boys 2 subs in Wheaton. And I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing. Most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!